Technology should elevate humanity, not overwhelm it. Here are 5 practical ways to use artificial intelligence for good on NPTV.AI.
First, use AI to learn. Break down complex topics into simple, digestible steps and master practical skills at your own pace. Second, save time. Automate routine busy work and repetitive admin tasks so you can buy back hours in your daily schedule. Third, solve problems. Use AI as a strategic thinking partner to organize data, troubleshoot roadblocks, and build clear solutions. Fourth, help others. Build accessible tools, share clear information, and serve your community with human-first technology. Fifth, create new opportunities. Unlock your potential and download your free 10-way guide PDF at PeopleHelp.ai today.